El Vado Lake. Going camping with New Mexico four-wheelers, we have just 3 vehicles. On our way to camping, the Jeep is packed.
Yes, and we probably don't have time to organize the videos.
So you'll delete. It's up to you.
How is it going to do it in here? We're going to do water crossing, but it's not very bad.
Must have been sturdy construction.
Must have been 30 people to make it out here. Wow.
It's a vertical construction instead of horizontal. And the chimney. That's cool.
On an afternoon drive from our campsite, and we stopped and had a nice lunch. Looks like we might have hit a dead end just exploring. But
It's a hot for the coast.
and look at the newly minted mud Jeep.
Oh, look at hers. Potatoes? I like potatoes. Oh, that's potato.
There's our river.
Yeah, I don't think we're driving down there.
No, forward. Sometimes back. It's not always forward, never back. Sometimes back.
Ah, nice.
Ah, cool.
I would like to camp up here better than next. We just got back from our outing and we have visitors at the campsite. Oh, he can bark. Look at him go. This is the rapids part. That looks fun. Yeah, so I was just thinking, no adults in that one. That one's good.
Get them out and get them going young.
You know how to bark. It's the first time I heard a Rex bark.
Go get them, Rex.
This would be a good nice camping spot because people already did all the work.
Did you find some historical items?
Yes. These all cans.
Beans and corn.
Tied the posts of the house to the tree.
Station here, still standing on a rock.
I mean, it would have qualified as shelter. In a very basic sense.
There's probably a better view before those pinyon trees.
Yeah.
What do you see? a lizard.
Came to another dead end on the road, but it's a nice dead end because we're not driving down this way. But look at this.
That's a river.
Yeah, it's a pretty spectacular day. Oh yeah, not bad. Okay. Wow.
It looks like this one is a dugout house that maybe the dirt's filled back in here, but you can see from the edges around there it was dug out and then a roof put over the top. More ruins at the old homestead site.
Hi. There's another spring right here. They must take a lot of spring.
Let's keep an eye out for snakes. This is kind of prime habitat.
All right, now here's a fixer-upper for off-roading.
I'll have to pass this to Jonathan Rivera. He's always looking for fixer-uppers.
Hey, don't get caught.
Wow, that's so cool. The steering wheel is still there.
I know.
Somebody had lunch over here and did a pretty good job of eating very thoroughly. Does it look like dinosaur bones?
Right here, look at the teeth.
They look like dinosaur bones.
These
There's a
is the teeth.
jawbone. Oh, look at those jaws.
Yeah, the teeth still working.
And there's the skull.
They didn't. They probably.
It's probably our last stop of the day. Another cliff and another homestead, and I hear thunder rumbling in the distance.
And then see those?
Oh, wow! No,
There's
yep.
a huge place over here to the left.
What is
Wow,
that
over to the right.
brown stuff?
Wow! Look at the views.
Hey. You should go in the right way. That'd be awesome to get over.
We decided to go for a hike along the Rio Chama. We were told that about a half a mile there would be hot springs. We've gone a half a mile,
No hot spring.
and this is what we have ahead of us. There's no trail. It's walking in the high grass, and that's what we just walked on for half a mile. The river is very
Nice with the
pretty.
river.
I kind of want to just jump in and float back to our camp area instead of walking. I wish I had an inflatable raft with me, or I can just swim.
I will swim on top of you.
We are coming up to the bend in the horseshoe here, and our thought was maybe to at least make it up to that corner and see what's around into the canyon, but no sign of a hot spring. We'll be at about a mile of walking by the time we get there.
And then another mile walk back.
And I just cleared out a wasp for you.
Oh. Those are fluffy stuff. It's butterfly.
That's a big one.
It is.
You're gonna see comparison. Here's my finger. He looks juicy.
I will get. It's not very easy to come out when I'm holding these guys without hands.
Tie it on your waist.
Okay, wherever that turn off is for the canyon view to our left, I'd like to get a quick picture. Okay. I'm at it right now. I'll pull up.
So that's where we were hiking yesterday, looking for hot springs.
Yeah. This is the
and we
canyon.
found nada. We had a thunderstorm come through at about 6:45 this morning. So now we get to drive in the mud. It was mini? Are you sure? Are you sure it's a mini mud bog? Might not be mini anymore. Yeah, this is interesting.
I can do it if you want both hands.
My steering doesn't do much anyway. She's got all her windows open. You wanna do it out the window?
Okay.
So we just got back home from our weekend of camping, and thunderstorm hit us this morning. It was already a bit muddy, but that made it even worse. Look at the mud balls up on the roof there. So thought I would shoot a quick before and after, see how much mud I can get off of here. There's a before, quick walk around. Scraped a lot of mud off of the sliders already, a lot. There's the inside. Okay, let's start cleaning. Okay, so time for the after. I'm a bit muddier, but I think the Jeep looks nicer. Have to see what it looks like tomorrow when it dries, but sprayed a lot of mud off of the undercarriage and gave it at least a once over. So ready to put it back into action, of course, once I get the gear problem fixed. I had some help washing the Jeep. I didn't do it all by myself.
I eat a lot
This was
too.
my helper.
I ate a lot too. Not just my face.
Okay, I'm not a big fan of mud.